is the white lion. Tingnan natin dito, guys.
As we get closer to the lions, the shop will complete this camp. And they have an area of 1.2 hectare, everyone, so that the lions can roam freely and exhibit their natural behavior.
Napakaputi na ha. Compress. Okay.
May bakante pa pala.
Malaki pa pala bakante.
Loaded na. Bakante.
Sige pa magkapot.
Keep boys levels down. Right side remain seated. Left side please stand up. And kids please.
Kids, come here kids, you see the white lion.
Yung mga bata na nasa left side, stand here lang. Okay, everyone. White lion is not albino, so that's why they're not entirely white in color. They're cystic animals.
Mauna na ang white lion?
Yes, ma'am.
Brown.
Cystic animals lang sila, ma'am. So they have a partial loss of pigmentation resulting in pale or nearly white color. At the same time, they can adapt the climate or environment where they are staying. Yes. And they are carnivore. So for their diet, we provide meat, beef or chicken, 5 to 8 kilograms per lion per day.
So ba't wala silang hair? Inahit or ganyan lang?
Wala talaga silang form, ma'am. Male lang ang meron. Yes. As you observe, they're not active. Lions are nocturnal animals. They're more active at night, and everyone, lion will rest, sit, and sleep 16 to 20 hours a day.
ko.
That one's Bugoy. Next to him is Jack and Max. And lions for everyone can be heard 8 kilometers away. And that's their way of communicating to warn intruders and to mark their territory. And lion can open their mouth up to 28 centimeters wide. Yes.
How many kilos of chicken you're feeding?
5 to 8 kilograms a day, ma'am, per lion.
Per lion?
Yeah. And for their lifespan, 12 to 15 years in the wild. Here in captivity, 20 to 25 years. And lastly, we do not have female or the lioness to avoid aggressive fights among lions. Yeah, they're all male, sir. Mag-aaway sila pag may babae.
So hindi sila pwedeng pagsamahin.
Yes po. So again, that one's Bugoy who's awake, si Max and Jack po.
Mas active yung si Bugoy.
Yes po. How old? 8 years old, ma'am. Sila tatlo? Yes, ma'am.
I can sit.
Yung nakikita ko sa movie na nahuyam na layon, nakita ko na reality. Move, anak, sit down. Sit. Uy, Jim, lingkod, kadiri ka tagakuan safari.
We also have here night safari experience. Starts at 6:30 p.m. in the evening. At night, you'll see our white lions named Ben and Ken from Germany.
Scary kay mga active.
Yes, yeah, that's the exciting part.
Oh my God.
Possible, they're active and awake and the lions will roar. May times pa naman lumalapit sila. Yes, ma'am. There were times the lion will get closer to the trunk. But rarely lang. They're not aggressive lang since we do not feed in live animals to lessen their wildness. They're not animals then, hindi sila sinasanay na makahawakan or malalaman. And thank you so much. That's everything here for the white lion safari. Up next, can you wait the tram outside that will bring in the animals to the birds of the world.
Walang layon na lalabas.
Thank you.
Welcome. What's your steps, Uncle?
I cannot walk.
Wait, I will go first. Thank you. Okay. Bumalik man lang kita.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am,
You're welcome.
for the information. Sumasakay kami dito?
Going to Camel and Birds of the World.
Sige, sakay na. Camel liwat. Hain kita pa dito. Igi, anay. Ginok ko alis sa taktiil. Pa, you sit on the other side.
Hindi ka maigodan.
Yes, sir.
Sabi nga, si Tam yan.
Going to Camel and Birds of
Oh,
the World.
camel tayo, camel. Camel.
Nirvana's favorite, the camel.
Your
You
favorite?
also big camels.
Did you see the lion?
Hanggang ngayon ako mamalig. Lion.
Amalin.
Tumatawag in 16 hours.
Yung mahadi ngayon in layo.
Not doing anything for 16 hours a day.
Ang ilan na ba? Okay, going to the camel. Ako gihapon, albino yan, Mira. Anto pala niya right to right.
Yes, ito.
Asya pala nga. Ano yung sakyan, ano, may screen. Gawa pagkapuin. Pag-picture ikaw ba? Kaya naka-picture niya. I'm vlogging. Shout out, Grace, Daisy, Melvin, Lisa, and Mary Ann, Raya, Hannah, and Carl. Adi ako akong mga kapaturan.
Okay, sir. President.
Okay. Thank you. Madinga sa'yo. Okay. Ano? Okay.
Dapat walang
Sige daw. Makakita na kami at mga kamil din ang mga tagiyan kamil. May kamil na nga ho din kainit na nga. So, ayan. Malinhold Nirvana ha. Wow! There's a camel over there. The real one. Oh, Mariah, Hannah, and Carl. Camel is for real. Connell, may camel nga di. Camel. Huy, huy, huy! Papabangin din pa yung makabundol. So this is the camels. Oh. What is zebra ko? Ang nakumita yan, giraffe? So, ayan, nakakita na ako ng camel.
Camel na.
Yan, hinahuyam nga. Nahuyam nga tiger.
After camel, ma'am, sir, we have birds. The one.
So, we can move in there. So, pwede pa diretso kita.
Gusto mo yun? Okay.
Hi, bye, camel.
Di na ka mo duol kami.
Nagpunta man na kami sa birds. Bang kami mawara naman, malas bro yung lakita. Anon ani didi pa?
Birds of the world po, ma'am.
Ah. Tapos mga birds pero wala ko pa nakita. Okay. Okay, ini labaw pa sa 4K steps, guys. Guys, kay pataas ang spaghetti. So after this, makaagi pa kita bihan giraffe.
Oo nga, ano pa ba?
So wala pa mo. Baka magutom nga ako pag saka-saka. Ano daw? Ah, mga katamsihan na kalibutan. Here we go. Ay, grabe. Ingat-ingat kayo, guys, kung nasaan man kayo. Kami sobrang ingat dito, baka maglabasan ng tiger. At ang mga camel. Be happy and enjoy your daily life. Enjoy lang. So, dat mga bird, dida. Di man. Kuan man iniya pa. Pi. Oo. Inchan. Kuan lang Rahman. Magan ordinary la. Yes, baby.
We're gonna walk to the new houses.
What? Ano ibipagdungan? Okay na? Sige. Thank you, ada mga It's like nasa sanitize pa. Dumadaan dito sa cube na ito. Parang sanitize. Bird pop me fall anytime. Cloud, Nirvana. No, ito na lot hip hop. Papa, hold. Ayaw kay bang pakulob hiya pang katutubig. Hain.
Adi man.
Nirvana, hain. Eagle. Mahulog. Man, adi na. Ikaw na bungbong ini. There's an eagle, man. It's an eagle, guys. Adto pa man nga to.
Nga eagle,
Oo. Iswar gada kadto. Adto man duha. One and burawan nun, adian mga eagles nga kaupod hanada aton. O ginasam pa. Muna. Eagle. Ano ka? Kodomo Wow. Bala na to kami hamahagnaw. Hello. Hi. Daisy. Shout out Daisy adinan yan eagle hamahagnaw. Ngayon. Ano kadina naman ini. Kadina.
Ato na hira.
Mal, say ka mga tutnak. Kapti iday. Hala ko daw mga birds. Daw mga birds. Oh! Ko mga host. Nagkikisla birds sira.
Nahiuto na siya.
Hala, kadamo. Ang hidaw. Yung kadadamo hini. Baga ininirahin sanitation ko an area. Nasa sanitize kita hini. Or nagkakahugot tungod kita.
There's a pink bird.
Oh, damo bird. Mga magusay tira color. Flamingo. Flamingo. Pisans gihapa. O colored lahira. Bakit koloran? Tikain ka mo. Maliko nga to. Bang maliko man lang ayan. Kapti hiday kiti pahakulob ba? Ayaw na pagngadto. Tibalik na ito nga dabi. Balik na.
Dari kita dili patalusok.
Wala hapon, balik lagi hapon. Kay waray naman. Lagi hapbi. Balik na kita nga dibi. Kododong mo mga birds. Maghusay it color. Colorful. Jim, ato man mga colored na mga birds. Ang koloran la iton. Okay. So after hiningain lot ito pagsakay, Miles? Giraffe. Okay. Si balik na kita ba nga di. Ah, di mo kita agi. Oh. Mabalik. Ha? Ah, mo di lagi. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Sunod naman punta tayo sa giraffe nila. Tapos mamaya doon sa feed. So sa ngayon, bye-bye muna. See you in my next vlog. Thank you guys for watching Senior Citizen vlog na nandun. Hindi na, wala ako ngayon sa Florida. Nandito ko sa Pilipinas, Cebu City. The Safari Park ng Cebu City. See you in my next vlog guys. Thank you.